So you see here, liquidity has been grabbed. Price would come just here and drop.
Okay.
But USD seeing relative equal highs and yet to be mitigated. So there is nothing like relative equal highs. Okay, there is nothing like relative equal highs. The only thing valid to pay attention to in the market is what? Equal highs. Meaning, indeed, they are equal. So they are still sitting on the same price levels. If it is not equal, it is not equal. So as much as you have it this way, as much as you want to pay attention to this supply, also pay attention to this guy here. And you're setting a stop loss for this trade, try to make your stop loss a little bit higher, because this could come to cause this to become equal highs too before it drops. And you're like, oh, it's not equal high, it's just going to correct a little. Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm still going down. Is it clear now?
Motherfucker.
Have you not seen?
Motherfucker.
I'll show you guys something today. This market is very crazy. Yeah, you're going to see. Have you not? You've not. I know you must have not have noticed this, or maybe you have. You see price. Have you noticed the situation where price does this? We're coming from here. We have this guy. Then we have this guy. Then we're going up. Right, this guy. So you see this here. Let's see here was liquidity right there. So all of this is inefficient, and then excuse me. Have you seen this happen before?
Yes, yesterday.
And what do you think happened here? Now at this point here, you're like, price hasn't gained efficiency, isn't it? You know, this higher time frame efficiency. So you're waiting, maybe price will come and gain efficiency here or here. You know what this is? This means price took out this high and regained efficiency on this supply instantly here. So respect your headers before the younger ones. Price already gained efficiency on this higher time frame. So all this it was doing, if it gives you a reason to buy that shit. Because it might not get here. This is a lower, this is the younger one. The elder one is already made efficient here. But you know what? We're used to price doing this before we consider it as efficient. This liquidity has been grabbed. This transaction is happening. However, we're still believing bullish. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is.
So, I believe there is still more to learn about liquidity though, but at least we have this for now. So, still learning more. So, yeah, let's see. Now, let's look at this guy finally. So talking about the money levels, yes, you have, for a start, you have transactional liquidity. You have inducement liquidity. You have Rhino Week.
Yo. This part's important.
You have last low before the main low. And last high before the main high.
I'm gonna delete all these recordings, bro.
That's that for now. It's all about your what's the name? Your applicability of this whole thing. And now talking about entries, you're picking a trade. Okay, one criteria we look forward to before to pick a trade was thumb. And after the whole thing happens, we wait for thumb, then we'll pick a trade and all of that. Now, thumb is subjective. It is too subjective. Okay, it has become too subjective, so we no longer use thumb. We no longer use thumb. Once you understand the algo, you understand how the market moves, then you can pick your trade. Two things to pay attention to though when you're picking a trade: engulfing and rejection candles. Okay, engulfing and rejection candles. And of course, all of this you always combine with what? The money levels, and no inducement, no trade. So talking about the concept of time and price, I doubt we'll be able to cover that today. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a 15-minute break. Then when we'll come back, we'll jump on chat and then look at a thing or two, and that'll be it. All right. If I still have time, then I can still cover those subjects. All right, guys. So catch you in 15 minutes, and that will be by let's say 14 minutes, 1 p.m. Quick break, 15 minutes break.